Every child knows the story of Noah and the ark, how God commanded Noah to build the ark because of the floodwaters that were going to come. He brings the animals on board 2 by 2, and once the floodwaters recede, Noah sends forth a dove who comes back with an olive branch in his mouth, letting Noah and all on board know that it is just about safe to leave the ark. But if we think about the theological implications, it's no longer a simple and quaint story that we can tell our children, because the bottom line is that, according to the story, God decides to destroy humanity and to start over again with Noah and his family. Why is it? What kind of God is it that would destroy humankind seemingly capriciously? Certainly the Torah gives the description that all of humanity was evil and corrupt, and to provide the excuse that that is why God needed to start over again. But is this the kind of God that we would want to believe in? In other words, I believe the Torah presents a particular theology, a theology in which God is master of the universe and controls everything that goes on in all of existence, not just in human life, but all life in general. God is sitting behind the scenes controlling everything. That is the vision that the Torah has, and the way that we can influence God, the Torah says, is by being good and following our part of the bargain contained in the covenant. But our theology has evolved since the Torah, and we believe, most of us do, in a compassionate God. And so that theology of God being compassionate doesn't seem to coincide with the God of the Torah. And so what I need to do as I interpret the story is understand this is how humankind understood the world at the time, made sense of events that happened around them, and try to provide meaning for it. And how do we provide meaning when tragic events happen around us? We look for comfort in community, we look for the beauty of nature, and we look for the sign of the dove with an olive branch to provide us with meaning for life today, so that we can continue to believe in a compassionate God. Shabbat Shalom.